Hi guys, my name's Neil Gargrove from Routley Electrical Contractors. We're going to be doing a tool talk review on the Monument Pro Fit hole saw. So let's take a quick look. So one of the first things you notice is their TCT blades. This one's 16mm or 5/8, and this one's 38mm, inch and a half. Pretty much standard plumbing sizes. So one of the first things you'll notice is you've got the quick release mechanism. You can interchange the pilot drill or the guide quite quickly in some cases. And even with these, according to their website, you can click one into the other and use the smaller hole as a guide, but I don't think that works quite so well on these ones. I think you have to put it further down. I think they need to be of the same size. So one of the biggest things I did notice about these is the length of the guides compared to like a standard hole saw. Let's move these out of the way and grab a drill. I've got two drills here. I've got my smaller Milwaukee, and I've got the big daddy bad boy that I use for most of the joists and drilling and stuff. So if I put this in the smaller one, 360mm there. Standard rafter sizes are what, between 200mm and 400mm. So you're going to struggle to get this, especially in older properties, between the floor joists, drilling holes. You're supposed to be able to drill these at a slight angle, but that's still not going to help much, is it, to get below the floor levels. Let's have a look on the other one. This is the big daddy drill. And again, you've got 400mm there. So 400mm to drill a 38mm hole, it's not exactly compact. And I think you'll struggle to get that in underneath some of the floors. I can understand why they've got the length that they have. Obviously, when you've got the plug inside the hole, you slide it backwards, which releases the plug, which we're going to get to in a minute. We can actually see, you know, on some real world timbers, rather than a bit of skirting board there. I don't know why. Bit of off-cut timber, and what have we got here? We've got a proper joist here. We've got what, a 6x2. So yeah, we can actually see properly what these bad boys can do. So I've got the old Menke workbench all set up now. Let's drill some holes. Oh, let's put it on drill, shall we? Well, that was quite quick. So there's no bit left inside there. What we have got though is a very fluffy hole. You can see the and it's sort of blown out the back slightly there. Can't imagine you'd want to use this on a finishing piece. Yeah, Starrett's, you know, a bit cleaner and slower. But yeah, if you're bursting through timbers and stuff like that, no problem at all. Let's try the bigger one. So straight away, it's come out and clipped, or I didn't clip it in properly. Let's have another try. Well, that was a bit cleaner. Oh, there we go. Pops the plug out nice and easy. Again, the hole's a bit fluffy. It's not the cleanest of holes, and sort of blown out the back again. A few splinters. But you know, this obviously this TCT parts are made for speed, and rather than smoothness of holes. So let's slightly thicker piece of wood there, bit of scrap that's been lying around. I'm going to stand up for this one, see if we can make it any quicker. Okay. Let's put this back, shall we? Nice, quick and easy. Again, splinter out the back. I suppose I could try and go one side nicely. Let's see if we can get a nice clean hole. Oh, no. Let's flip it over. Not bad. What I did notice though is when you're drilling the hole, you're getting quite a lot of movement on the guide. So if you can hear there, can you see the play? I'm getting a lot of, let's hold the drill bit still, a lot of play on the end there. So I don't think you're ever going to get a clean, perfect hole, but before blasting through holes, it's quick. I should imagine, you know, the people that are going to be using this kit are going to be chippies, kitchen fitters, stuff like that. Kitchen fitters, I don't know what they'd be like on a bit of melamine or some chipboard. I haven't got any floating around in the garage to be able to show you. Let's try some of the smaller holes. That drill down there. Let's have another go. Oh, went for a bit of filler. Let's try and get it this way. There's nothing inside the bit. It's not leaving any plugs. It's quick, but look, it looks like a beaver's been at it. Right, let's have a go on the bigger piece. This is the real test. There's a bit of checking on the wood there to start with. Let's hope it don't split. But a little drill didn't like that much. It's starting to get a bit jammed in there. Let's clean it out. There we go. If you can see, it doesn't, where you've got half the drill bit, it doesn't exactly go through the smoothest. Let's have another go. Doesn't like that at all. It does it, but it's not happy. I was wondering if I change it for the bigger drill bit. Let's have another go with the big drill. Okay, we've got the big drill out now. Let's have a go with this. It's cutting me drill out. No, it's not happy. There we go. Now I've got it stuck. How are we going to do this? There we go. So let's pull that back and get the bit out. There we go, that comes out nice and easy. It didn't go in quite so easy. Let's try again. Let's try on the low gear. Well, he got through. Nice easy bit. Here we go. No. Let's try two-handed. There we go. So the plugs come out nice and easy. Let's try a bit of a different method. I've got it in low gear again. Let's turn it round. It's starting to clog up. Can you see the sawdust? Fill the hole up. It's quite warm. We got through. So let's have one more roll. So that one was a bit harder. This is a nice bit of dry wood as well. This has been sitting in the garage for a long time. It may look a bit damp and stuff, but it's not. Yeah, see that one blew straight out of the back. And the teeth seem nice and sharp still. But it seems to be a lot slower than it was. I don't know whether we was going for a knot or something. Let's have another go. It helped to clip in the bit. Let's have a look. Look, still got 3 bars on the battery. Let's go back in number 2 gear. No, straight away. It's cutting out. Oh, and we got a bit of smoke that time. So, plenty of holes drilled. Starting to get slightly bit harder now. It's not sort of losing its sharpness how it first was. Let's do one more. Oh, there we go. That one bit. Let's give the smaller one a try. that got through no problem. Still a bit blocked up, but there we go. It doesn't seem to form a plug at all on this smaller 16mm bit. It just sort of leaves a bit of a mess. The hole's not exactly clean either. Can't imagine you're going to get a pipe through there. Let's have another go. Well, that was a bit cleaner. Let's put it on the lower setting and try to go a bit slower. Split the wood. So guys, I don't know whether I'm impressed with these or not. I like the idea of the quick release business, but unless you're going into MDF or something really soft, or a thin piece of timber, I think you're literally going to batter the timber to pieces. Yeah, it's quick, but it's not a very clean hole. So what's the outcome? Great bit of kit. They're a bit finicky. They're, if you want a straight, clean hole, Starrett, I suppose. Yeah, they're alright. They do what they're supposed to do. You know, if you're busting out holes all day, every day, then I suppose this can save you a bit of time, but they're not the cleanest of holes. And you'll probably need to, you know, like clean up the other sides of the timber, trying to put a pipe through or whatever, which sort of defeats the object a bit. If you're going through with an Irwin speed bit or one of the Milwaukee self-feed bits, yeah, they blow out the back slightly, but not that much. And they're not quite as big. So yeah, so thanks very much for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews. Cheers, thanks very much. I suppose I better leave this mess for someone else to clear up, being an electrician and all that.